Hi, my name is Ramu and I live in Bangalore. So this is our BDA home. Earlier, when we think of having the kitchen decorated, earlier we have seen the kitchen at my friend's home. No? It was Beth, I think. It was very good and it is very durable. So we thought to have the same product in our home. So we went to Beth. After 2016, there was discount of 25%. For that purpose, we have booked it. So the interior work was going on here. It took nearly 2 to 3 years. So after that, we paid complete amount and booked this one. No? And they delivered in time, and they came and this one erected this one, installed everything so nicely. No? Okay. When we booked this one, no, kitchen, it was very plain, and after a year, this new product, new color has come. So we prefer this wood color for our wood this one designing. So from that point, we purchased it and they have installed after a month, I think. So till now there is no problem and it is going very good and no other problems for this one. No, this soft closing and this doors alignment never changed. And this is third year, I think. This is third year we are using, and no problem with operations and storage, everything. It's going still very good. Deal with water here in kitchen, more water. So if we use this one wood, some within 1 year, 2 year or 3 year, it may perish, but still won't perish, no. It will be lifelong. This one
hard water.
And moreover, it is very hard water here. That's why we thought steel is the best for kitchen. That's why we used this kitchen for steel. We went for steel. So we got some time to install. No? Until then they waited, and after our call they came and they have installed very efficiently. Even from that day there is no problem at all. So that is very satisfactory.
Oh, okay.
Not even a single service problem. Whether from the doors or this one, no wires, no problem at all. Yeah, definitely. Whoever came to see just now those couple went, no, they came to see this one, no, house. Even they have appreciated this one kitchen and everything. They might apply this one also. Even we are recommending our friends the same thing, no? Same. Who are coming and seeing this one, we will recommend this one. That's why we didn't even remove that logo.